Hi everyone, I'm Guilherme Rito and today I'm going to show you the latest updates for CSS Pro. So there is a huge step forward on this update, which is the autocomplete for the code editor. Let me show you. So we select this element and open the code editor, and now as you type on the code editor, it's going to suggest you CSS properties and CSS values so you don't have to remember everything. So we typed B and it suggested all these CSS properties here, and you can use either your keyboard to navigate or your mouse. So let's choose the background property by pressing the Enter key or the Tab key. So now that we've started typing, it's gonna suggest CSS values for the background property starting with R. So it smartly knows which property you're editing and suggests different values for different properties. So let's choose red and boom, background red. Okay, another new thing are these checkboxes right here. For every CSS declaration, there are these checkboxes that you can use to quickly turn on or off a CSS declaration. So we can see what this declaration is doing to our element. So it also works anywhere for another media queries or outside a media query and stuff like that. It's pretty easy and helps you write code faster and find the right code faster as well. Another cool thing I want to show you is that now we have a brand new tab called HTML, which is the HTML editor. Here you can add, remove, or edit HTML attributes on real time. So my favorite thing about this is that now you can easily try different images editing the src attribute. It's pretty easy. So you can drag and drop any image from your computer to the element, and you can see how the image would look like on this element. You can also copy and paste the image or click here to select any picture from your computer. You can also type any URL to edit on real time. Pretty cool, right? Thanks to Julian for the feedback. And finally, after you finish editing your HTML, there's a new option to copy the HTML code. Moving on, when you select a Google font on a visual editor, for example, let's choose Arvo, and you share the CSS changes, clicking on Share Changes, so that you get a link. Now on the edits page, it's gonna import that Google font into it so everybody can see what you've changed. It comes with the Google font. This is thanks to Julian for the feedback. And also when you open the CSS changes, the selectors are more nice. They are not unique selectors anymore. They are the same selectors that the extension shows you. And we've also improved the CSS inspection algorithm, so the CSS code that you get when inspecting or copying elements is now more precise. And we've also fixed 19 bugs, thanks to Austin, Jacob, Tixtil, IT, Julian, and Shashank. Thank you very much, and see you on the next update.